Okay, and then extensive challenge, question number 1. In the figure shown, each line joining two numbers is to be labeled with the sum of the two numbers that are at its endpoints. How many of the labels are multiples of 3? So this question basically means that for this line, for example, this blue line, we will label it 7 because the number at two ends is 3 and 4, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Yeah, and it's the same for all of the rest of the lines. So let's have a look. We want the lines to be multiples of 3. And the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And then, so before we have a look at the multiples of 3, let's see what is the maximum number we can get from this diagram. What is the maximum one line can represent? And we find that because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then the maximum is 7 plus 8, this line over here, which is 15. So when we get to 15, we stop here. We won't be able to get any number larger than 15. Okay, so to have two numbers added up to 3, we only have 1 plus 2. And we don't want 2 plus 1 because it's a addition question. It's adding up. So that means different order counts as the same. And then how about the 6? What combinations will give us 6? We can have 1 plus 5. We always start with a 1. And then 2 plus 4 works. 3 plus 3, it doesn't work because we only have 1.3. And we won't have a line that has two threes on both ends. So no. And then that's all situations with number 6. How about number 9? We will have 1 plus 8, no problem. And then 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5. So altogether 4 situations. And then 12, we cannot start with 1 anymore because that will be 1 plus 11. We don't have 11. The maximum we have is 8. So the maximum we have is 8. Then the smallest number we can start with is 3. So 3 plus 8, sorry, not 3, but 4. 4 plus 8, and then 5 plus 7. 6 plus 6 we won't consider. We don't want same numbers. And then for 15 there's only one situation. 8 plus 7. So let's count how many situations do we have altogether. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is 1. So altogether we have 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10 different situations. So 10 labels are multiples of 3. A is the correct answer. And that's challenge number 1.